The answer to yesterday's question is simply this: to have goals that you can realize within approximately 2 years. If your goals are set too far in the future, you will not do what is necessary in energy to accelerate the process of realization. The second reason is that as we get older, our values change, and there are unpredictable events in life. When we have vague goals far in the future, they will probably never be realized. I don't want to be negative, but rather give you a real picture. Today, I will talk to you about approximations. What is an approximation? They are the limiting words such as about, around, maybe, or more or less, almost, probably, possibly, if possible, little, a little. We have to learn to speak using superlatives, to use a vocabulary filled with energy and powerful words, as often as you can in your conversations. Here are a few words to use: fabulous, extraordinary, genius, great, marvelous. Go look words up in the dictionary to increase your vocabulary. It will benefit you greatly. The more we listen to you, the harder it becomes to think. Your name, Saboteur, really suits you very well. On the other hand, it is interesting to watch you when you do your little interventions. It allows us to see how you act in real life. Think of how heavy it is. It's making the situation more difficult. When you thought it would have been children's play, you see the difference. I don't want to see the difference. I just want to keep control over my followers. I will do everything necessary for those like you to be perfectly control of their personality. With minimal effort, they will get there. I trust you for this. In the next capsules, I will explain all the small, gritty details of your personality. People have no reason to let you ruin their life the minute they decide to make yours impossible. By the way, I realize I have very little time ahead of me, since you have been able to rid me of the lives of many people of many times. I cannot be credited with the success of other people. They have to congratulate themselves for their perseverance and their desire to change regardless of the price. Just be careful. It just so happens that our will to change ourselves often makes us want to change others. We don't have the right to do that. It would be a power trip. For example, you decide to stop your partner from smoking using your thoughts. This is a power trip, even if your intentions are noble. However, if he shows the desire to stop smoking by hinting that he will use the patch or go to hypnosis or acupuncture sessions, you can help him or do it for him. Ideally, he should do it himself. There is a universal law that we should always keep in mind, the law of the rebound. All of our good thoughts, words or actions rebound and come back in the form of 3 times the energy. But also all our bad thoughts, words or actions rebound and come back to us multiplied by 3. And the ramifications will be disseminated over the next 21 years. Just as we collect the good actions over the next 21 years. Why 21 years? The Trinity appears in all religions. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit are represented by 3, and the energy of the earth by 7. 3 times 7? 21. We can never escape it, can we? Of course not. It's the great divine justice. In conclusion, letting go is a lesson to remember. When doing a formula, you can be sure that the solution will come depending on the situation and that it can come at the last minute. Review of all the notions learned since the beginning. The universe does not think, does not reflect, does not analyze. The commands can be summarized to avoid the use of numbers in the statements. A time indicator should always appear in the conclusion, as in today's example at the beginning of the statement. The great laws are precision, softness, obsession, confidence, apostilles, conjugation, formulas. For the beginners, I suggest that you write your formulas. This way, you will avoid making mistakes. The more you pay attention to your thought mechanism, the more you will make formulas, and the more successful your life will be. Be happy. Ciao!